Hey lovelies, it's Renee Roxanne. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I use my Micellar cleansing water to remove my makeup. To see this makeup look, click the card above. Let's get right into removing this makeup. After 8 hours of wearing this makeup look, I'm still looking good, but just a little oily. The first thing I did was put my hair away. I'm using Garnier Micellar cleansing water with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. This is for all skin types. I'm also using a facial microfiber cloth designed specifically for makeup removal. It is a game changer because it is super gentle and absorbent. This makeup removes simply with one swipe. I love that both the cloth and water are gentle and safe to use around the eyes. Using microfiber cloths instead of one-time use cloths allow you to play your part in keeping our planet green. It also does not have fragrances to cause eye and skin irritation. Hydration is the key to maintaining a radiant skin complexion. The key molecule involved in skin moisture is hyaluronic acid that has unique capacity in retaining water. It is one of the most effective ingredients to hydrate dull, dry, aged skin. When applied, it creates a protective barrier, helping to retain moisture and improve skin texture. There is also aloe in this cleansing water. Aloe vera has been traditionally used to treat skin injuries, burns, cuts, insect bites, and eczema, and digestive problems because of its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound healing properties. This cleansing water is sure to protect your skin while gently deep cleansing. There is no strong smell, no harsh rubbing, no oiliness, no irritation, and you don't have to rinse because it's non-comedogenic. I'm still going to do the nighttime skincare routine because makeup residue is still present. Proper cleansing is very important to maintaining beautiful skin to get all glammed up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and ring that notification bell. You will see me in my next video. Bye for now.